This video will guide you through the proper installation of the high door series, helping ensure a secure connection and reliable operation. Before installation, please confirm that the thread specification of your water valve matches your faucet connection. The SWV-ZNE, SWV-ZFE, and SWV-ZF2E models use BSP threads, UK-EU standard, commonly found in the UK, Europe, and many other regions around the world. The SWV-ZNU, SWV-ZFU, and SWV-ZF2U models use NHT threads, North American standard, the standard commonly used in North America. To help prevent leakage, we include a 3-meter roll of thread seal tape. If your installation does not leak, there is no need to use it. When applying the tape, wrap it in the same direction as the thread. Keep the tape slightly stretched while wrapping to ensure a tight fit without breaking it. Once finished, press the tape firmly into the threads with your fingers. Make sure the tape does not cover the water passage, as this may affect water flow. We also provide a sealing gasket. If your faucet threads are relatively shallow, the gasket can be installed at the water inlet side to improve sealing performance. When installing the valve, align it with the faucet connector and keep it straight. Gently rotate it clockwise to tighten. During installation, make sure the outlet direction is positioned correctly to avoid an angled or misaligned installation. Make sure the faucet outlet fully contacts the internal gasket. Once installed, the valve should be firmly secured and should not rotate or wobble easily. Slowly turn on the water supply and carefully check the connection between the faucet and the valve for any signs of leakage. Before installation, always confirm that you have selected the correct model and thread specification. After installation, check that the valve is secure and free from leaks. Once everything has been verified, your high door series valve is ready for normal use.